Hello. So, one of the last things I was talking about was making the zooming and the control super buttery. Like, I wanted to go in and out of my different controls really quickly. And this is just my basic test scene. If we flick to a dynamic camera, I can start to zoom in. You'll see the camera stops itself as I let go of the inputs. You can see the yellow forward, backward are the inputs. They break. I need to tune these numbers. But you can see if I let go, it slows down. And I can now just go straight into just a profile here. These are the numbers. And I can tweak these numbers. Now, obviously, I eventually want them to load off disk. For right now, they're just braced initializer sets. But these are the values that I can go up to, down to, back and forward to the different accelerations. I've got everything for your roll, all the different rotations and movements I can desire. But the only thing I've wired up is the forward backward motion for now of the camera in the direction it's moving as well. You can go slightly inside the shape. It's a bit of Z order fighting. There you go. But yeah, I'm just so happy this now works, and this is all done dynamically. So I've got all the commands, the different actions that you can perform on a different command linked together. So you can just build a data structure with these all in, and then each action actually points to a function, a lambda in an array. And why is that important? Well, this is my first sort of attempt at an engine, and I want to try lots of different things. And one of the big things I want to play about with next, so once this physics and this, the physical movement of the camera is finished and the sort of braking properties of things are done. So these exact same properties, these motion profiles that I've set up, that's literally what they're called, motion profile. So a motion profile literally has the different values for translating around all these different actions for doing things. And I'm going to expand these all out so we can move any object, not just cameras, but actual objects in the world will move with this pseudo physics. Because I'm not particularly interested in integrating a third party physics engine. But what I am interested in is a scripting engine for all this. Something maybe like ChaiScript, where I have a known prototype or known signature here for these functions. This is an action function, and the standard function bool motion profile reference, and then the const float for the delta time. It makes perfect sense to make this scripted so I can load and reload scripts on the fly. Whether this is going to be something I load off disk or is hard baked in is still a bit debatable. I'd like it to load off disk for ease, but we'll see. But this basically just needs balancing. You can see that this does work quite well to let you commit. So you can brake a lot more easily than you can accelerate so the braking is a lot better right now. In fact, if I check my values, I'm going to bet that the braking value, so deceleration in the Z is 0.04, whereas the acceleration is 0.02. So it accelerates half as much as it decelerates, and that is literally what I can feel when I do this. It got stuck there for a moment. I don't know why it got stuck, but I can feel that lag in the acceleration and deceleration. Let's actually reverse that. If I actually make that the 4, that the 2, and rebuild. Switch to that camera. Yeah. It feels a lot nicer now. Oh, I'm off script somewhere. Oh no, I just went a long way down, I think. So I need to check the limits of working, the speed limit. So there should be a limit to how fast the forward camera can go. It looks like there's one for the reverse. but it does not look like the same for the forward. Yeah, it's taking a long time to get back. Anyway, that's buttery smooth in my opinion. Really enjoying doing this little project at home. It's making me feel a bit more sane.